Next, I will be present case example of International Robot Welding person, basic level cases in Smart Blended Learning platform. First, what are the reasons why the use of the blended learning? It gives you the possibility to study regardless of time and the place. You can study the need of information as the form of the micro courses or as a comprehensive training program. You get the learning statistics and mentoring based on artificial intelligence. You get support many ways for self-reflection, self-assessment, and motivation. The company of Mobie Group has an international and worldwide leading digital learning and training solution, Mobie Academy LXP. Mobie Group has webshops and data centers in 14 countries all over the world. This first slide, International Robot Welding Personal and Basic Level Training, introduce what kind of the possibilities a platform has, for example, sophisticated tools, interactive blended learning environment. You can start the main screen, which contains introductions and other relevant information for studying. When you scroll down, there are links for lessons. IIW guideline modules are called lessons in this course. Content of the platform itself is similar as the guideline. In the course, the IIW guideline modules 3 is divided to lessons. Each lessons contain topics. These lessons 4 have 7 separate topics. There are also pre-recorded lessons and topics. There's possibility to chat, interactive, some and the other tools for connection with a mentor too. Here is the blended learning example in topics 4.1, welding processes for robot welding. In topics content are open at objective scope learning outcomes. Here are the examples of the links in topic 4.1 to Micmac welding video. And also there's a video link to the laser welding. Both of them are listed in the scope. It is important in blended learning that there are tests and tasks to control how well the training is going on and how well students learning. One advantage of blended learning is that you can pause your study at any time and resume it next time, online or offline. You can make the notes to the platform all of the stages. Topic 4.2 has link to teach pattern and pictures of robot coordination, system and motorization types in a H5P tool. Sometimes important details is better to show in 3D view in short videos for better understanding in the case how to program robot touch sensing. Sometimes it's enough to have a picture, in this case an idea of the robot arc sensing. End of the topic is multi-choice questions for controlled learning of student. One example of multi-choice questions start in the end of the topic H5P tool. Topic 4.6 a link example of graphic simulation in robot welding, which will be helpful to learn robot programming and robot in action. In the first case, video shows how to create robot part and what OLP screen tool look like. The second one shows what new is going on in the graphic simulation. Blended learning microcourse is excellent solution when you need information, very detailed issue, maybe only 10 or 15 minutes time to spend. In this example, the microcourse gives solution for possible robot welding problems which are listed as lessons. In the latest session 4.7.10, you can give your own advice to other, be a member to create new know-how, share the silence information and share links. Before was example of International Robot Welding personal training in blended learning, but similar way training is possible for designers. Promotion to IIW according to the guidelines could be single model to be special course and give you our record achievement. Also, conferences and experts can present it in this platform as now here in IIW online assembly. Thank you for your attention.